Think your small space can't feel bright, open, and stylish this spring? Think again. With just a few simple tweaks, like the right color palette, smart storage solutions, and a touch of nature, you can transform even the tiniest apartment into a fresh and airy spring retreat. In today's video, we're diving into the top spring decor trends for small spaces, from maximizing light and space to using natural elements and stylish yet practical decor ideas. And the best part? These tips are budget-friendly, easy to implement, and perfect for any home. So, stay with us till the end for creative ideas that will make your small space feel bigger, brighter, and full of springtime charm. Let's get started. One of the biggest challenges of decorating a small space is making it feel open, airy, and uncluttered. The good news? With a few simple tricks, you can maximize light and space, creating a home that feels much bigger than it actually is. First, let's talk about mirrors and reflective surfaces. Strategically placing mirrors across from windows can instantly double the amount of natural light in a room, creating a brighter and more expansive feel. If you don't have space for a large mirror, try incorporating glass or metallic decor accents, like a mirrored tray or glossy tiles, to subtly reflect light around the space. Next, consider vertical storage solutions. In small spaces, every inch counts, so take advantage of wall-mounted shelves, tiered trays, and hanging organizers to free up floor space. Open shelving in the kitchen or bathroom not only adds storage, but also acts as decor, especially when styled with small plants, candles, or neatly arranged essentials. And of course, decluttering is key. A cluttered space feels smaller and more overwhelming, while an organized, well-curated room instantly feels bigger. Instead of stuffing things into corners, use multi-purpose furniture with hidden storage, like an ottoman that doubles as a storage box or a coffee table with built-in shelves. By keeping only what you truly love and need, your space will feel more open, functional, and ready for a spring refresh. Spring is all about freshness, renewal, and embracing nature. And even in a small space, you can bring the beauty of the outdoors inside. The easiest way to do this? Incorporate natural materials like wood, wicker, and greenery. Start with wooden accents, whether it's a small floating shelf, a rustic wooden tray, or a woven rattan basket. These materials instantly add warmth and texture to your space. If you have limited floor space, opt for hanging planters or wall-mounted baskets to introduce an organic, earthy feel without taking up valuable room. Another simple yet impactful way to refresh your space for spring is by adding plants and flowers. A small potted herb garden on a kitchen windowsill, a mini vase of fresh tulips on a bedside table, or a hanging pothos plant in the corner of a living room can bring life and vibrancy to even the tiniest space. Don't have a green thumb? Try dried flowers or faux greenery for a low-maintenance alternative that still captures the essence of spring. And let's not forget about natural light. Instead of heavy drapes or blackout curtains, keep windows uncovered or opt for sheer, light-filtering curtains to let in as much natural light as possible. Sunlight has a huge impact on how open and airy a space feels, so embrace it fully. If privacy is a concern, try layering sheer curtains with bamboo shades for an elegant yet functional window treatment. By bringing in these natural elements, you create a space that feels fresh, organic, and effortlessly styled, perfect for welcoming spring into your home. When it comes to decorating a small space, color plays a huge role in how open, cozy, or vibrant it feels. For spring, the right color palette can make your home feel fresh, airy, and full of life. A great starting point is to use soft, pastel tones that reflect light and create an inviting atmosphere. Shades like pale blue, soft green, and buttery yellow work beautifully in small spaces because they add a cheerful energy without overwhelming the room. Painting an accent wall in a pastel tone, or simply adding a spring-inspired area rug can instantly refresh your space. If you love a more neutral aesthetic, white and warm beige tones will help a small space feel larger while providing a clean, modern backdrop for seasonal decor. Layering off-whites with soft gray or taupe creates depth while maintaining an open and airy vibe. To prevent a neutral space from feeling too flat, incorporate textured elements like linen curtains, a woven rug, or ceramic decor to add dimension. Want to add a bit of boldness? Spring is the perfect time to introduce pops of color. Even in small spaces, you can make a statement with vibrant throw pillows, floral artwork, or decorative vases in shades of coral, lavender, or mint green. The key is to use these brighter colors in small, intentional doses so they enhance the space rather than overpower it. By choosing light, soft colors with thoughtful pops of vibrancy, you can create a balanced, spring-inspired space that feels fresh and inviting without making it feel cluttered or heavy. A well-designed small space isn't just about choosing the right decor, it's also about how everything flows together. The way you arrange furniture and decorative elements can make your home feel open, cohesive, and visually balanced, even if you're working with limited square footage. One of the best ways to create flow in a small space is by using multifunctional furniture. Pieces that serve more than one purpose, like a sofa bed, a coffee table with hidden storage, or a wall-mounted foldable desk, help keep the space functional without overcrowding it. Choosing furniture with clean lines and open bases can also help maintain a more spacious, airy feel. If your home has a small, segmented layout, think about ways to create an open floor plan, even without knocking down walls. Using light-colored furniture, minimal visual barriers, and consistent color palettes can make separate areas feel more connected. Rugs are another great tool for defining different spaces without blocking the flow. For example, a small jute rug under the dining area and a soft pastel runner in the entryway can help visually separate areas while keeping them cohesive. Finally, consider how decor placement affects movement. Avoid overcrowding shelves or countertops, and instead, go for a minimalist, well-curated approach. Wall-mounted lighting, floating shelves, and compact seating arrangements can make a space feel bigger while still offering functionality. The goal is to let the eye travel smoothly through the room, creating a sense of harmony and balance. By thoughtfully arranging your furniture and decor, you can make even the smallest space feel open, effortless, and beautifully styled, perfect for welcoming spring with ease. The finishing touches are what bring a space to life, making it feel personal, inviting, and seasonally inspired. When decorating a small space for spring, thoughtful details can make all the difference. Without adding clutter, start with personalized accents. A small space should reflect your personality and style, so incorporate meaningful items like framed photos, travel souvenirs, or handmade ceramics. The key is to curate instead of clutter. Choose a few standout pieces that add warmth and character without overwhelming the space. Spring is the perfect time to bring in seasonal decor that feels light, fresh, and uplifting. Floral arrangements, pastel candles, decorative bowls with citrus fruits, or linen table runners can instantly brighten up a room. Opt for light and airy fabrics, switch out heavy blankets for soft cotton throws, and swap dark pillow covers for spring-inspired patterns like florals or gingham. Finally, focus on functionality and style working together. In a small space, everything should have a purpose and an aesthetic appeal. stylish storage baskets, beautifully labeled jars, and multifunctional decor items help keep things organized while enhancing the space. Wall-mounted hooks for bags, decorative trays for keys, and floating shelves for books or plants can keep things tidy while adding charm. By adding thoughtful seasonal elements, you can make your home feel cozy, fresh, and perfectly spring-ready, all without sacrificing style or space. And there you have it, simple yet stylish ways to refresh your small space for spring. Whether it's adding light and airy colors, incorporating natural elements, or optimizing your space with smart storage solutions, these small changes can make a big impact on how your home looks and feels. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which spring decor trend are you most excited to try? Do you love the soft pastels, the multifunctional furniture, or the greenery-filled accents? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button to support the channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration. We have so many exciting ideas coming up, and you won't want to miss them. Also, turn on post notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.